Forgotten username recovery failed on ProRealTime Fix. If you've forgotten your ProRealTime username, don't panic. Most people try random guesses, but here's the surprising truth. The recovery process is quick and straightforward if you follow the right steps. Step 1. Go to the ProRealTime login page and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. ProRealTime will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather important account information such as your full name, recent trading activity, or subscription details. ProRealTime support can verify your identity manually and assist you in recovering your username. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and junk, for the recovery email. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid delays. Multiple recovery requests can sometimes slow the process, so be patient. Step 4. If the automated recovery fails, contact ProRealTime support directly. Provide all relevant verification details and explain that the recovery attempt did not work. Their team will guide you through a secure method to regain access. Once your username is recovered, take a moment to update your account security. Enable two-factor authentication and store your credentials in a secure password manager. This small step prevents future access issues and keeps your trading account safe. By following these steps, you can regain access to your ProRealTime account quickly and resume trading with confidence. A forgotten username is not the end of the road, it's just a small hiccup that can be resolved efficiently.